Hey guys, Snow King back. We got Snowball and Icicle here, and we are gonna jump into a Zacian box, and let's just jump right in. Really cool looking box. We're gonna jump right into this video. Let's see what we got. So we have Rebel Clash, we have Sword and Shield, Sun and Moon Burning Shadows, and Evolutions. Let's just jump right in. Okay.
We got
Poliwrath,
Genius,
Poliwhirl, Sandshrew, Vulpix, Nidoran, Growlithe, Rattata, Ponyta. That's it for that one. Let's get to the next one.
we got an Energy, Owl,
Noctowl, Simipour,
Singapore,
Buffalot, Railu. Who's that? You know him. Meowth,
Meow,
Vulpix,
Vulpix,
Wimpod. Who's that? Togedemaru,
Togedemaru,
Noibat, and who's that? Persian.
Persian.
Nice. So, we didn't have any big pulls in that one, but we'll be looking for more in the next one. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bing.